Hello, and I'm so glad you stopped by. I'm going to see how much it cost me to make dinner at Aldi. We're going to have submarine sandwiches, so let's see how much this adds up to be. Lettuce, I definitely need lettuce, $1.59, which is a pretty good price. That lettuce, however, is looking a little rough. But I dug one out of the back and it looked pretty fresh, so that was good. On to the buns. I found them for $2.39. Thought that was a pretty good deal. We only will use 2 of those, but we'll have some for later. And the Swiss cheese, I think is, $1.89. This turkey, I believe that's the turkey, that was $3.19, and that was only 8 ounces. I wanted to try this just to see what it was like, and I got the turkey as well. I have salami at home and mozzarella cheese. I have that at home, so I couldn't pass up the donuts. They jump in my cart every time. Also needed 1 tomato, onions, and that was it. And my grand total was $19.93. All right, back goes the cart, and thank you so much for watching.